So anyway, we're pointing at you. See, you're in the thing.
Okay,
So hi.
hi. Here we are at
Where are we, Liz?
Montana on Macalister.
On the Macalister. So there's a Macalister River, and this is a private campground. Costs about $30 a night, something like that, to get an unpowered site. We do unpowered sites because we've got solar and stuff, which we'll show you in a second. This is our new campsite, isn't it, Liz? This is our new camp setup.
That's
Yeah. So we've got a. Well, it's mine, but Liz is claiming part of it, I think.
Oh, I helped with the renovations.
Yeah. So we'll show you around. Liz, you want to show people around?
No, you should. You're better at this than me.
Oh, I think we're both okay at it. So it's just over here. So we've got the car.
Back end.
We've got the solar panels there. Sorry for the glare. This is an Outback camper.
Actually, that kind of looks like a use that one.
Yeah, so this is the back end of the thing. Now with this campsite, they don't like campfires on the grass, because this grass is like, I think it's a buffalo cooch or something, and it's beautiful grass. So they give you these fire pits and you just buy the firewood, and it's $15 for a load, and I think that'll do us for 2 nights really.
Oh yeah.
So this is the setup. So we've got, what have we got in here, Liz?
Well, we've got our chairs.
We've got our chairs.
Our table.
Our table.
This is our, oh, we'll put the toilet paper away.
Toilet paper away.
This is our pantry.
Pantry.
Yes, for our
All our
food.
essentials, tomato sauce and corn chips and stuff.
This is the
And
renovated
this is the renovated kitchen.
that we did.
So what have we got on top there, Liz?
We've put new aluminium,
No, stainless steel.
stainless steel.
Yep.
Top.
Yep.
We've painted all the cupboards inside and out.
I'll put a photo up at the end of what this looked like beforehand. But it was like a mustard yellow, wasn't it, on here?
It was just plywood. Just
Still-
old plywood. Yeah.
Well, it's MDF.
Yeah, MDF.
MDF.
Then we've put some new handles.
Yep.
Some new stonework on
This
the
stonework.
top. I
Let's see.
mosaicked all that.
Then we put this aluminium checker plate around the outside here.
Yeah, and on the sides here. And it's come up looking pretty cool.
Oh yes.
Although this, I noticed now that we started using it, it was all shiny. Now it's hard to keep shiny.
Because you got to get that.
Polish stuff.
Yeah.
To polish it.
Anyway, so what have we got inside, Liz?
So inside we have. Come into the parlour.
Do you like Liz's hat, by the way?
I love
Thumbs
my
up.
hat.
Thumbs up if you like Liz's hat.
I don't care. It's a great camping hat.
Please comment on Liz's hat.
Wide brim.
Wide brimmed.
Very good. It's all waterproof. It is UV resistant. Oh, the bugs.
That's why Jojo wouldn't.
Bugs are coming. Okay, so the dogs slept here last night, which was a little bit annoying because they make lots of slurpy, licky noises all night. Oh, that's open underneath. We're going to have to get those things out.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bee.
That's was over here.
Yeah, I know.
It's a wasp, actually.
A wasp.
Yeah.
So, and that's the bed.
Bed's very comfortable. A bit different to the Oz tent. This little light here, by the way, this is remarkable to see. Right, hardcore light. Bloody brilliant little thing.
Okay. Wasp.
Liz is on a mission now. This is a dead wasp now.
Okay. So
She's like a hunter killer, this one.
sorry for anyone who likes wasps, but that's not staying in here.
No.
And
Oh, it's falling off.
March fly and the wasp.
So the Oz tent, the Outback camper, I bought second-hand. This is a 2005 model, and she comes with a. This is a technical side of things now. It came with this fridge, and it's friggin' awesome. The guy told me it was 55 litre, but it's actually 95 litres. And it's a fridge freezer combo. It's got an extra battery system here, with a DC to DC controller. I've got 2 solar panels running into it, but I'm going to change that around. I want to get onto the kick-ass solar panels, because at the moment I've got my Dominic ones, and I've got the ones that came with it, which are a projector, only 80 watts. So there's 200 watts of solar panels there. So far my battery's on 100%. It hasn't come underneath 100% so far with these 2 panels. So I think 200 watts is the right thing. There's a fridge freezer combo. It's got a divider thing there you can put in the middle and make it into the freezer on this side, fridge on this side. But I'm just running it as a whole fridge. But 95 litres. It's very old school. It's just analog, no digital stuff in here. It's very old school, but they're solid as a rock, these compressors. They've got a Danfoss compressor in them, and it's 45mm thick insulation, and they don't need a cover for them because they're so well insulated. You don't need a cover on them, so that's really good. The good thing about the Outback Campers, they've got the Alco independent suspension on, and it tows beautifully. So now we're going to have a look at Liz's little setup down here. This is now Camp Liz down here.
Not much sleep happening last night. There was a lot of
There was not much sleep happening.
Snoring.
Oh, snoring. Oh.
Snoring.
Oh, snoring. Yes, of course.
Snoring.
The dogs snore
and
so bad.
Up and down. So I've made my own little getaway here, which I will come down and sleep here tonight.
So this is Lizville. So you can see the Macalister River is through here as well. There's the river there. Just before I show you Liz's setup, this is how far she is from the river. Now look at that, that's gorgeous. I'll get the drone out later and we'll fly up and down the river. Maybe at sunset, get some good shots of that. Might even go for a little bit of a swim. Oh, here's Jojo. Dogs have to be on leads here, so that's the other thing. So he's obviously broken off his harness thing. And this is Liz's little setup. It's very cute, isn't it, Liz? So what do you got inside here? You got kitchen.
Not much now.
What do you got in there?
A little bug.
Well, that's going to bug you, isn't it?
Oh.
Watch out for the hole there.
Well, I've only got my mat and my sleeping bag in there for now, so nothing very interesting. But I do have some disco lights here. Oh, there we go.
Hey.
There we go. I do have some little disco lights here. I will put the rest of my stuff in there later. But anyway.
So that's it from us. We'll put some drone footage up. The campground itself is just gorgeous, isn't it, Liz? It's one of the nicest places I've been to.
So well run, and very much geared to safety. There's fire hoses all along, because we're surrounded by bush. So
and the owners, Dave and Fiona,
yeah,
spot on.
Very well structured camp.
Yeah, it's great. They're very friendly. Come and take your rubbish.
They had recycled rubbish every day.
And there's rubbish bins all through the park.
Yeah.
You can bring your dogs as long as they're well behaved.
Toilet facilities are great, and bathroom facilities.
Oh, they've just been updated.
Yeah, with
I think they've got a heated floors, so
yeah.
Very nice. But yeah, it's just a gorgeous spot. Yeah, we're very happy. Anyway, that's it from us. See ya.